Hello guys, my name is Mikołaj and you are watching Mikołaj YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. In today's video, I will be replacing a reverse light switch on a transmission in my car. As you probably know, I have a 2012 Ford Focus with manual transmission. This is kind of my project car, simply because there's always something to do on it, and I just like that fact that I can use it for so many videos to show you guys how to do things. Anyway, my reverse lights stopped working, so I checked the fuses first. The fuse was fine. I checked the lights, although that would be pretty weird for both bulbs to burn out at the same time. I still checked the bulbs in my lights. I put a new bulb in, it didn't lead up, which means there's something else. So the third possibility is reverse light switch. And kind of had a peek, realized it's not that hard to replace. Hit the road, went to the dealer, got the part from the dealer, and started the work. I have the replacement switch right here from Ford. Let's get my car disassembled and let's replace this bad boy. So on the 2012 and up 5-speed Ford Focus, the sensor is placed on top of the transmission. I already have my light here so we can see it, and right here underneath the battery, that's the reverse light switch. So it seems I need to run to Harbor Freight. Basically, whatever socket fits on this, I think it's going to be 22 millimeters. I don't have a socket, neither a wrench to remove the old switch. So let's do a quick trip to Harbor Freight, get the right tool, and restart the work. Luckily, my wife's home today, so I can take her car and just quickly run to Harbor Freight, which is about 10 minutes away or so. So let's go. Okay, so we are at the store. Let's get the tools. thank you for tuning in. As you could see, I replaced the switch. It took me about 30 minutes, without the drive for the tools. So either 7/8 or 22 millimeters is the big socket that you will need to undo the switch. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I really appreciate that. In the description below, I will link to all the tools you need, as well as to the switch, so you can get it on Amazon. Other than this, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, and peace out.